If you use 2 or more Autodesk products, then an industry collection could be best for you. There are 3 industry collections. One for architecture, engineering, and construction, one for product design and manufacturing, and one for media and entertainment. Autodesk Industry Collections integrate leading products with specialized solutions and optimize workflows so you can accomplish more, faster, and with greater confidence. They make it simple to access all the tools you need to handle complex projects, all in one package. You'll also reduce costs by streamlining your deployment and management. An industry collection lets you extend the functionality of leading products to help you make the most of new technology, while a steady stream of updates will help your business stay ahead of the curve. We recognize the investment you've made with us, so we've got a special offer for you. For a limited time, trade in your perpetual licenses and save 25% on 1 or 3-year subscriptions. Trading in licenses is simple, and you can switch back if you're not satisfied. But remember, this offer is time limited. So don't wait. Trade in now and get 25% off access to our latest tools, improved workflows, cloud services, and instant access to new applications in an industry collection from Autodesk.